Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a little different, but I wanted to talk to you guys before we get right into it. I always knew someday that I'd be able to do this. I just didn't think it'd be real until now, and it's all thanks to you guys. I'm sure most of you have noticed that I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but it's so weird because this year has been my best year on YouTube financially. 2020 was my best year in terms of content. I feel like I pushed myself, I pushed out a lot of content, and I did pretty good financially as well. But this year, I didn't put as much money into my car, and I saw way more return. All thanks to the sponsors and all the paid promotions that I've gotten this year. Everything has been so good to me that I am able to get this. This is my girlfriend's dream engagement ring. Dream engagement ring. That's freaking crazy that I was able to get her this. And she doesn't like the typical traditional engagement rings, like, you know, skinny band and just fat rock or whatever. And I, picked her brain a little more, and I actually was able to get exactly what she wanted with a little bit of flair, because you don't always want to copy whatever you see. You want to add your own, your own spice. And I can't thank you guys enough because, dude, this is freaking crazy. It went from me getting my dream wheels, and here I am getting her dream ring. Without further ado, here is the ring. I don't know if the camera can really pick it up, but it's a little different. Like I said, I personally love it. I think it's so pretty compared to what every other girl has on their finger, you know what I mean? It's a little more on the classic look. I know women back in the day kind of had rings like this, and I really think that she would like this. That'd be sick. A few ideas in mind on what to get as a wedding band, because apparently girls need 2 rings, whereas us guys only get 1. I'm planning on proposing to her in, I think it's 3 months from now. Holy shit, I still need to plan it. I mean, I kind of have an idea. I got us tickets to Cabo in Mexico, so that's gonna be fun. I just need to go there, scope out all the spots, and just kind of play it by ear. But I really hope she likes this, and now you guys know that's the reason why I haven't been making YouTube videos. It's crazy because I never once thought I would even break even with all the money that I put into my car. Honestly, I was just doing it for fun. I didn't think I was gonna see any money back. I made all the money back that I put into my car and more, just from sponsors, paid promotions, ad revenue. It's still not enough for me to quit my day job. It's definitely really good side money, I'd like to say, and I want to push it more eventually, but I also want a super stable job that doesn't require a fallback, whereas like YouTube it's very risky. It's kind of like me trying to go pro for skateboarding again. It's risky. Anything can happen, you know? Can't thank you guys enough. Literally living my best life because of you guys and all your support, and still can't believe it to this day. Obviously we're gonna get a nicer box, but I just wanted to show you guys. My mom knows a lot of people when it comes to jewelry, and she was able to find me someone that can make this and do it for the right price, and I'm gonna marry my best friend. So it's all thanks to you guys. I mean, I was gonna marry her anyways, but I guess timeline has been pushed up a little bit closer now because of you guys. So thank you. And if anything, I will see you guys when I finally decide to propose. I know it's not car content, but honestly, I just wanted to take you guys along, and prayers it goes well, guys, because I don't know, I've been pissing her off a lot lately. I'm not saying that she isn't gonna stay with me, but I mean, I wouldn't stay with me. I'm pretty annoying. Hopefully me pissing her off just enough will make her not expect this. We are at the airport. I have not been here in so long. Having a little bit of breakfast. Are you excited? It is Ivana's birthday in a few days, and I wanted to take her to Cabo, so we're going to Mexico. We're most likely gonna be here for a while. I will see you guys in Mexico. We finally made it to Cabo. The flight was okay. It's very uncomfortable. And then we kind of had to deal with some stupid situation at customs. Took one look at me, saw my tattoos, checked our bags, and just, it was just not a fun time. But we finally made it. Just waiting for a room to get ready, but look at this view so far. Everything so nice. How you liking it so far, babe? It's really pretty?
Love it. Yeah, it's really pretty.
So I have not taken a vacation in so many years, just because I've never had the opportunity to be able to do it because every single job that I've had didn't have like PTO or vacation. So yeah, now we get to enjoy life. Yeah, we're just waiting for a room and then we can go change and go hang out, maybe grab a bite, hit the gym. Guys, look how big this place is. Oh my God. Dude, it's gonna take us like at least 3 days to explore this whole place. Like, we got some shopping over there that we can do, huge dining area. Dude, what the hell is this? Oh my God. Got a fountain in the middle for no reason. So nice here. And this is just the front. That was the pool area over there, and it goes even further. I think our suite is all the way over there by the water, so it's gonna take us at least 2 to 3 days to explore this whole place. Don't you think?
Totally.
It's way bigger than I thought, bigger than Disneyland.
It's really
It's like,
big.
oh my God. My first meal of the day, buffet. Ooh. Look at what she got for us. And look at this view. Home sweet home. We made it to our suite. I upgraded to a suite last minute because they gave me a great deal. I could not say no. I need to show you guys a quick little room tour. I'm so impressed. So obviously this is our door. It's crazy because you need to put in your card key to activate all the electricity, the air conditioning. We got some nice fine art here. I really love open floor plans. I feel like this is a little open. Look, I'm in the bathroom. I'm not in the bathroom. I'm in the bathroom. I'm not. We got our fridge. Ooh, we got the bottled water. That's good because you're never supposed to have tap water from here. Shots. Got a mirror over here. We can hang up our clothes if we want. We got a safe, pillows. All our bags are here, obviously. I wish I would have brought my laptop. Could have done some work, but I'm on vacation, so not necessary. A little lounge area, couch. Very nice. This sick TV. And look at that view. We have the better pool from what I showed you guys earlier. This is the infinity pool. There's not as many kids. It's more quiet, adult friendly. And you have a view of the ocean too. And I think the infinity pool goes into it, but I'm not too sure. I need to go check it out. But this is so nice. And honestly, you guys might not like it, but I think this is really cool. We have our bed with a view, balcony, and it's connected to the bathroom. You like it?
So nice.
That's so crazy. She could be freaking sleeping while I'm in the tub for no reason. Bathroom is super nice. Shower with the door. Bathroom here. I'm gonna blow up the toilet in a bit because your boy had some tacos. We only upgraded because our original room didn't have a tub. Only the suites have a tub, and we brought a bath bomb and we don't want it to go to waste. Dude, this is so sick. This is amazing. I could just live here. Alright guys, that's pretty much the room tour. I absolutely love this view. This balcony is amazing, dude. Like, oh my God. You can see so much shit. So we're gonna enjoy day one. Eat some good food later, maybe go to an Italian restaurant or steakhouse, but it's gonna pretty much be it. And if anything, I'll see you guys in the next few days or the next day. I don't know, there's just a lot of stuff to do and I kind of don't really want to film. I do want to take you guys along some places, but ultimately I'm on vacation, so I'm gonna try to enjoy it. We are getting our workout on. Free gym, why not? Look at this view though, holy shit. So sick. I'm gonna be working out on all this. Can't go wrong with working out on vacation after eating and drinking a shit ton. So they don't have any machine to do rows, so I kind of made this on my own. Attach this, set it out here. Have little stoppers right here for my feet, and we can do some rows. This infinity pool is ass because normally from far away, you shouldn't be able to see this, but what is this? There's not enough water, and this tastes like Capri Sun. Pool's a little colder than we thought, but you get used to it. It's really nice. Look at what we're looking at. You guys think we should go on that boat? I might be down, but my girlfriend gets seasick. And also it might be really expensive. I think anything over 40 bucks is expensive. We got this one over here freezing her ass off. Oh man, it's so nice. And our room is literally right there, behind that tree. We're getting a free photo shoot. Absolutely love this. Super nice guy. His name is Ivan. It's Ivana. Freaking amazing vacation so far. Rough start, but it's getting a lot better. I honestly do not know how this guy is not freezing his ass off because I'm so cold. Piso mojado. The floor is wet. The floor is wet.
He's drunk.
No, I'm in Mexico. My Spanish is top tier.
It's actually a lot better since you
Puedo meter mi pito en tu culo. Oh, no, wait. Hold on. Just kidding around, but puedo meter mi verga en tu culo.
Verga?
The best part about upgrading to the suite is that the party don't stop. Look, this is right outside of our door. There's a neon party going on right there. We're getting ready. We're gonna check it out. Holy shit, this is a crazy ass vacation. And now I've locked myself out. It is super early in the morning. It's about like 5 a.m. About to take her out on a photo shoot. Today's her birthday. We are going to ask her to marry me. A little nervous, but I think I got this. She's in there getting ready right now. Hi there. I locked myself out.
It's okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Aging like fine wine. Yeah. I'm going to take you out and walk you. So don't open it. I've been wanting to do this since the first day I met you, and I just never thought that I'd be able to do it, and here we are. This beautiful beach. All of this is just for you, and I've wanted to marry you since day one. So. Ivana Giselle Miro, are you married?
Oh my god.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Show the blood.
No hay ni viento.
Oh my god.
Okay, one, good.
Prometida.
See, this is Ivana. Es puertorriqueña y cubana.
Ah, puertorriqueño.
Yeah.
Look at her, all smitten. Show me your ring. This is her dream ring, and I made it happen. Well, actually, you guys made it all happen. So thank you so much for watching my videos and allowing me to be able to do this. So now that we're engaged, what should we do? Go grab some breakfast or something? The only issue right now is we're waiting for exchange to open up so I can get cash and pay the Picnic Magic for making all this happen. So grateful and such a blessing. I originally had planned to take you and just go to the beach and take a photo shoot with nothing there. And I was like, wait a second, that's just not like, it's not romantic. That's not like putting in a lot of effort, and you don't have to spend money to put in effort. But for me, like, I thought, why not go the extra mile? It's once in a lifetime, and we have memories of it. My mom's had jewelers for 30 plus years, and we went to one of them, her oldest one, that she was like, he can definitely do it. He's making the setting for us, and he's like, I hate this. This is hard. He still made it happen. Literally, as soon as he made it, he told my mom, I'm retiring, not making any more rings. So This is one of a kind. This is the last one anyone's ever gonna get from me, and yeah, I think that makes it a little more special. So huge thank you to my mom for pushing me and, you know, having the hookups, bro. You can't be paying full retail for everything. I'm Vietnamese, I'm super cheap, but still expensive, but you can at least try to get it a little bit lower. Next month is gonna be 5 years together, and I thought, why not? Yeah, I like this a lot. Just wait till you see our wedding bands. They're gonna be so sick. I deserve something too. And there you guys have it. That was the proposal. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I still can't believe to this day, all it took was me making videos of this little car right here, and we were able to achieve so much. We were able to modify my dad's car a little bit. We were able to get my girlfriend her dream ring and propose. You guys helped me become an adult. Honestly, like, I was already kind of an adult, but like being able to achieve all this stuff just is mind-blowing. So I can't thank you guys enough for allowing me to pursue my goals and my dreams. So thank you guys for sticking around. I love every single one of you, and I will catch you guys in the next video. As you can see, I don't have my daily. We're gonna go pick it up right now, and it's gonna look a little bit different. So stay tuned for that. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.